Hi there! In this BrainQuest PLR review, I'm going to show you a powerful collection of educational games that you can rebrand and resell for 100% profit. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I create these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to grow your online business. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab BrainQuest PLR through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is BrainQuest PLR? BrainQuest PLR is a done-for-you pack of 15 animated, voiceover-enhanced educational games designed for kids. These games focus on cognitive development, problem-solving, and interactive learning, and the best part? You can fully customize them in Canva and resell them as your own. Whether you want to sell these games on Etsy, Shopify, or educational marketplaces, or bundle them as lead magnets for your email list, BrainQuest PLR gives you complete flexibility. Plus, you don't need any technical or design skills. Everything is pre-made and fully editable. Just tweak the text, add your branding, and start selling. Standout features of BrainQuest PLR. Here are some of the key features that make BrainQuest PLR a great digital product. 15 unique educational games. Covers different subjects and learning skills for kids. Fully editable in Canva. Customize colors, text, and images effortlessly. Includes animation and voiceovers. Professionally designed for engaging learning. PLR rights included. Sell as is or rebrand as your own. Marketing kit provided. Sales page, VSL, and graphics included for easy selling. This is a huge opportunity for anyone in the kids education or PLR space. How it works. BrainQuest PLR in 3 simple steps. Getting started with BrainQuest PLR is super simple. Step 1. Access. Instantly download BrainQuest PLR with full PLR rights. Step 2. Rebrand. Edit the games in Canva with your own branding and text. Step 3. Profit. Sell on your website, marketplaces, or bundle them as bonuses. No technical skills required. Just follow the step-by-step training and you're ready to launch. Okay, let's play a quick demo so you can see BrainQuest PLR in action.
They knelt beside him. Don't worry, I'll help you. But we'll need to solve some riddles to find a way. Are you ready? Tim nodded, wiping his tears. I'm ready.
BrainQuest PLR upgrades, OTOs. Now let's talk about the upgrades. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. BrainQuest PRO includes extra games, advanced challenges, and premium brain training templates. Done for you package, a fully set up business version of BrainQuest PLR, ready to sell instantly. Marketing toolkit, additional VSL scripts, graphics, and branding tools. Reseller rights, sell BrainQuest PLR as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like about BrainQuest PLR. Perfect for beginners. No design or coding skills required. High demand niche. Parents, teachers, and homeschoolers are always looking for quality learning materials. PLR rights mean unlimited profit potential. What could be improved? Not a magic get-rich-quick tool. You still need to market and sell the games. If you want fully custom game development, this might not be for you. However, for those looking for a done-for-you digital product with full PLR rights, BrainQuest PLR is a great option. Final verdict, should you get BrainQuest PLR? So should you grab BrainQuest PLR? If you're looking for a ready-to-sell, high-quality educational product that you can fully rebrand and profit from, this is an excellent opportunity. Here's why I recommend it. Professionally designed educational games, easy customization in Canva. Comes with done-for-you marketing materials, 100% PLR rights. Keep all the profits. Don't wait. Grab BrainQuest PLR today. Click the link below to get instant access. Get BrainQuest PLR now. Thanks for watching my BrainQuest PLR review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.